Díomh gach duine, so it's Saoire on Idirlíon, Lehanach Cade is a Haindig, page 111.
Saoire an Idirlíon.
Siopa taistil tasí. Tá Saoire san Idáil, san Algarve, agus sa rank sládmharga. Caicís san Idáil, €308 an duine, dátaí, 3 go 7 meitheamh. Seachtain amháin sa rank, €108 an duine, mí uail. 10 lá san Algarve, €350 an duine, dátaí, 5 go 25 lúnasa. Cuirléach tasaí a gcóir breis eolais, 93, 211, 12, a 87
Okay, so this is holidays on the internet. And it's an advertisement for Siopa Taistil Tasí, Tassí's Travel Shop. Leighinte Saoire sa Saoire, holidays in the Saoire, in the summer. Now, these are holidays San Idáil in Italy, San Algarve, which is in the Algarve in Portugal, agus Sarank in France. Sládmharga, they're on sale. Okay, so on the side here we've got this button, click all. So if you're on the internet, you'd click all here, or on Muska Seo, chun é a chóir in áirithe, to reserve it. So if you want to go on this holiday, you click here to reserve it. So, Caicís san Idáil. A Caicís is gá seachtains, 2 weeks. It's an Idáil. €380 per person. And here are the dates. 3rd to the 17th of Meitheamh, which is June. Okay, again, click on the box to reserve the holiday. Seachtain amháin, so 1 week in France, €180 per person, and that's in July. And then we've got last one, 10 lá san Algarve, 10 days in the Algarve, €350 per person, and there's the date, the 15th to the 25th of August. Curglaich, call. Curglaich means call Tasí for more information. Okay, for Igor Bresh Olish. For more, Bresh Olish is more information, and there is the number to call her on.
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cad is anam don siopa.
Okay, so what is the name of the shop? So put in the name of the shop, and then at the end of the sentence, is anam don siopa.
Ceiste do. Céir díd na tíortha a bhfuil Saoire sládmharga untu.
So what countries are holidays on sale for? So go up to the top. Tá Saoire san Idáil, san Algarve, agus sa rank sládmharga.
Ceiste 3. Conna sa chuireann tú an áirithe é.
Okay, to answer that one, what you're going to do is you're going to say, Cun é a chur in áirithe, cun é a chur in áirithe, to book it, and then you're going to put after that, click all on Muska. So cun é a chur in áirithe, click all an Muska, full stop.
Ceiste 4. Cá bhfuil breis eolais foiil.
So where will you get extra information? The answer to that is Curglaich Tasí Igor Brescia Olish. So to get more information, Curglaich Tasí Igor Brescia Olish. Full stop. Well done, everyone.